Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to create an account on Weltrade using your mobile phone. The process is very simple, so let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official Weltrade website, or open the Weltrade app if you already have it installed. Once the homepage appears, tap on the register or sign up button to begin. Now, you'll need to enter your personal details such as your full name, email address, and create a strong password for your account. Make sure all the information is entered correctly to avoid any issues later on. After filling in your details, choose your preferred account currency and accept the terms and conditions. Then, tap on the Create Account button to continue. Weltrade will now send a verification code to your email address. Open your inbox or messages, copy the code, and paste it into the verification field. And field phone number. Once your account is verified, your Weltrade account will be successfully created. After logging in, you can complete your profile setup and verify your identity if required. This step helps keep your account secure and unlocks all the platform features. And that's it. That's how you can easily create an account on Weltrade. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.